You want some pears? Want some pears?
I want some pears with this food.
The pears are for Reed.
Mmm.
Here, you want these?
How are they? Are those good? Brady, just one at a time. One. Good job, buddy. Okay,
Brady,
that's enough.
Brady,
That's
Brady,
enough.
Brady.
That's enough.
That's all he needs.
Ooh, he likes those.
One with the monkey.
Yummy.
I want pears for Reed.
Well, Mama's going to feed him. Just a sec.
Watch his face.
We'll have to watch his face then. Because he thinks they're a little bitter, I think.
I know. You gotta watch this.
Watch, bud.
Watch, look.
Ooh. You want that?
Brady, look. Look.
You want that, Reed? You want some food? Watch out. You want some?
Okay, I want some.
Watch his face.
Look at this face.
Reed. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Brady, say bye.
Bye.
Look at Mama.
Bye.